Septic trouble usually starts small, an odd smell, slow drains, maybe a soggy patch in the yard. Then suddenly, a $10,000 repair you didn't see coming. But you can prevent this with Accelerator by Dr. Pooper Drain Field Cleaner. New look, more tablets. Just drop one tablet, wait a minute, and then flush. It's that easy to improve your septic system's flow and eliminate those bad odors. So, how does it work? It supercharges the bacteria in your system, giving them the strength to eat through waste and sludge up to 40 times faster than they could on their own. It's safe, non-toxic, and backed by a money-back guarantee. Try Accelerator by Dr. Pooper Drain Field Cleaner today.